In this video, we will be going over how to use the Design Studio to design a name badge. First, you're going to go to the Design Studio tab on the Imprint Plus homepage, and then you're going to choose the size and the color of your plate. This is where you will be actually designing your badge. You can toggle the grid lines on and off to help with alignment. Pressing the text box option puts a text box on the badge. Remember that anything you type here is just a label. There are many fonts to choose from, and we recommend using a font that is easy to read. You can adjust the text size on the left-hand side, and look at the right-hand side to see a preview of what the badge will look like. Pressing the Advanced option drop-down gives you more options, like letter spacing, toggling editing, and rotation. You can also change the alignment and the case of your label. You can add as many text boxes as you need. You can also add images to your design. When adding images, use files that do not have a background. You can adjust your image to whatever size you want. Make sure you're looking at the preview so you know what the final result will look like. Make sure you stretch your text boxes as long as you can to make sure that no text ends up getting cut off or squished. If you have layers touching each other, you can change their position on the right-hand side. You can also use the undo and redo buttons if you ever make a mistake. If you're happy with your final design, you can go to the next step. Here is where we're filling out the names. You can fill out names manually, or you can import them. To import names, press the Import Data button, and then upload your document. Your document should have the amount of columns that you have text box on your design. Here, you'll choose which label belongs to which column. When you're done, press Import. Your labels will automatically be filled out. On this screen, you can edit names and delete whatever names you choose. When you're done, press Go to the next step. The final step is a preview before printing your insert sheets. Make sure you're selecting the correct paper size as well as the correct starting position. These numbers correlate with the numbers on the black tabs on your insert sheets. The Alignment tab is where you can adjust how the badges will print on the sheet. All you have to do is drag the sliders to show how the badge printed exactly how they did on your sheet. The program will then automatically change the alignment to offset how they originally printed. Make sure that you always print a test paper before you use your insert sheets. This can be done using a regular piece of paper, which prints a template of insert sheets. Then, you print your normal design and see how it shows up. If your inserts do not print perfectly inside of the boxes, then this is where the Alignment tab can come in, and you can use it so that you print perfectly aligned inserts on your actual insert sheets. Before you print, make sure to check your settings and check that Fit to Printable area is not toggled. Use actual size or scale to 100%. And that is how you use Imprint Plus's Design Studio.